We're talking about flower gardening and how to start your flower garden. So in this segment, we're going to talk about deciding our purpose. You know, do you really want just flowers that you can view all summer long? Are you going to cut the flowers? Do you want them to bring them in the house? Do you want long-lasting flowers? Do you want to have lots of color, or do you want to go with just one color? So just take a minute and sit down, and sometimes even looking through magazines or watching TV for a little bit you'll come up with those ideas. But my theory is gardening is like throwing a party, and I like the summer bashes the best. So I just go shopping and pick out the plants, talk to experts, go to the farmer's market, go to the garden center, you decide if you have sun or shade, and then you'll figure out what your purpose really is. Is it just to enjoy plants? Or do you really want to know all about them? It's up to you. It's like throwing your party. Are you going to invite 1,000 people over, or are you going to invite 10 people over? By deciding on these few factors, it makes the gardening really easy. And it takes all the stress out of it too, because everyone wants to be perfect. But gardening is about change. It's not about everything being the same way every day of the year. Because plants grow, they bloom, they die. Just like people that come to your parties. One year they'll come and be the most incredible guests. You'll love their company, and then the next year they don't show up and you have no way to track them down. And it makes you sad. But there's always other plants and other people you can invite over. So in the next segment, we're going to talk about deciding on the colors of your garden. Do you want it to match the house? Do you want just mixed colors? Do you want to go with a red hot garden or a moon garden? So we'll discuss that next.